What's up, guys? We are here, and I've only got a little bit to fish, actually. Here for another episode, and we are doing the one lure challenge, and I have come out here with a little jig head, swim bait jig head, and a little swim bait, and I'm gonna throw it right under these trees over here. Right under those trees. Right over there. So yeah. I think I'm gonna get something, but you never know. Oh, yeah. Great first cast there, guys. Great first cast, eh? I've actually come out here several times and got like 4 bass and a couple bluegill. Oh, got one. Just like that, guys. They're not super big, but they're little bass. Just like that one. Nice little bass. Get the release. Here we get the release. Sweet.
I thought I had this pen right here. Yeah. But then I'm like, oh, it's a fish. And then I thought,
Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh.
oh.
Hang on for a special right here.
Okay.
Stop. Come here. Come here. Stay out of this dark. Fun to catch them, isn't it? Your rod's kind of a lightweight, so they're kind of fun to catch on your rod.
Yeah. Just think.
Scores 1-1.
Had another one bite my stuff. Oh, watch out, everybody. Baits are flying. Oh, fish. Ooh, I'm catching a fish, guys. Got one.
I think I caught this.
Look at that, guys.
There you go.
I called it. Dad, did you hear me?
Yeah.
I'm catching a fish on this cast.
Yeah.
I think I got
Let's see.
one up.
Another fish, guys. Not big, but okay. My dad's gonna get the release. You can turn it and angle it down the.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Here's the fish. There he goes.